Hi, welcome to DS Visuals showcase of our screen in terms of how our content management is like, what our content management can do as well. So our content management is able to break this down into 5 different layouts like this. There's also other layouts to choose from as well from our VS player. So over here there is a static ones where we show our logos and stuff, and then we break down to a different links to get you around. So over here you have a link for the LCD product, LED product, our product application, followed by this, which is not very clear one, which we use by our internal, will be a back button right over here, which you can create also. So for LCD product, we have a few products right over here that you can see. So we're going to showcase some of the products here and the link as well. So take a look at the standing kiosk right over here. So for standing kiosk, looking at 65-inch, you'll be able to see an image of your product if you want to set it this way. It also does a slideshow as well, which will slide to a different image of the product. Alright, and over here you can also do a static showcase of the breakdown of what your item consists of. And then you can also mention things that you want right over here in details. And over here in these images as well, allows you to do a touch screen where you can actually control the image going back and forth as well. So you'll be able to slide this through if you want to take a look at the images of the content. Go back to the back button right over here. We'll go back to the the different inches of screens that we have as well. And another back button will bring us back to the home page or the product. And right over here back on this page again, we'll take a look at other function that we have, which will be like a Samsung product. Samsung product has their own web page. Samsung has their own web page to showcase this series of screens as well. So in the example, we have a Samsung QMR series. We go in here, you can actually preload a Samsung web page here where will load to the exact item that you want. So a QMR series here is a Samsung main web page. If you go to Samsung web page, you can see an exact identical ones. The setup of this page as well will be more closer to your mobile view. So for a mobile view, if you go through your phone and you come to this website under QMR series, you'll be able to see exact identical item showcase here as on Samsung website and as on the screen. And whatever link that you have on your microsite will be exactly what would showcase here on the screen as well. Any links or any display will reflect the same, right? Will also upload the same. Alright, and you have any other features in terms of videos or images at the bottom of your website as well, allows you to scroll through the whole entire content as well. Right, and over here, if you want to add on specs as well, you can do that. You can also create different links in the earlier page where you have different columns. You can create different links for them through your microsite. Alright, and if you have a home button on your microsite as well, this can come back to the micro site for this one. And over here, if you wish to fill in a form which already created on the site that you have, you can also choose to do the same. For example, I want to input my email address. I will be able to do so here and register my email with Samsung on their mailing list as well. And I can do a submit. Alright, so whatever that you see on your website is what you see here also. Alright, so as long as you have a connection, definitely you can do everything that you need, exactly the same as your website. Right, and going back, so over here, okay, go back to the feature item as well. You can go to a different pages over here. If you have that set up, you can also do that too. Alright, so here you can go back to the back button. We go back to the main screen as well with all the products that we have, and we can even explore a different sector, which is the LED product. You can take a look over here. We have a LED poster here as well. a video here which you can actually have it preset with sound also, which allow you to tune it higher. Alright, you can go quite loud. You can adjust it accordingly to what you think that can attract eyeballs also. Alright, and so you can actually feature some part of the video to catch attention. It can also be a screensaver as well if nobody's using it. You can go back to the front page as well, right over here. If your screen you have a background music as well, you can preset that too. So this is a preset background music here. Alright, and so over here we have other forms of standing kiosks also, which that people can go and explore. Alright, and all these links are, once it's preset, it will not change. Okay, same thing like I mentioned, you can use your hand to scroll through the whole entire thing. Go back to the back button, you'll come back to the main page. And if you have any question about products as well, feel free to reach us at dsvisual.sg. Thank you.